Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Des, and today I am going to be showing you a Kawaii haul. So yeah, I have like just some super cute items that I think are just super nostalgic of honestly the like 2016 like Kawaii nostalgic time of like collecting squishies and doing clay figures. And yeah, just when I just remember being obsessed with Lolita fashion and watching like all these different Lolita videos and, you know, falling in love with the fashions, the brands like her Angelic Pretty and Baby the Stars Shine Bright, but also like the plushies and bags they own, and especially Alpacassos and like squishies and stuff like that. So that's what I have today. I have some squishies and Alpacassos I got online just for little tiny gifts for my birthday for me, since I got fantastic deals on Mercari, which is a secondhand shopping app y'all should totally check out because I get amazing deals there, and I kind of have transitioned from being like a Depop to Mercari fan. So yeah, I love Mercari. And yeah, so I just have a little haul I'll just get into today and show y'all my finds and what I got. So the first thing, how fantastic is that? It literally, I was so amazed because everything is in its packaging still, and it included the bag like they got it from I'm assuming like the store from which they bought it, like the squishy store. And so yeah, it has like its original packaging, and these are the amazing like donut ones, and these were squishies I always used to want. They look so good and like amazing to eat. And so I love that they're more like fake play food for me now, but also like for its squishy use. Like I love this stuff, like just for like, you know, sensory, but it's also so cute because they have like little like keychain, like little tops, like if you want to put a keychain there, like little thin chain ones, you totally could and wear them, and I would love to do that. So I love that I have that option with these. And so yeah, I have like, you know, 2 chocolate ones and a strawberry, and they're adorable. This one has the swirl pattern, and this one has sprinkles. Ooh, it feels so nice with sprinkles. And so yeah, like this one has like kind of minimal sprinkles and the strawberry, and they all have like kind of different bun colors too as well. Like you can see, maybe like this one's more like chocolate, vanilla. It's so cute. And so yeah, I'm super excited. Like the urge to take them out is so tempting. They're so soft. Like I could just feel this one at least. That's enough for me. And it is literally so soft. The ones from Japan are really amazing. I'm really tempted to just buy like the Walmart brands too all the time. They're cute and they're fun, and I recommend them for anyone who like likes the sensory of it, but they're also just cute for like, I don't know, photo shoot, like just to have for looks, just around play food stuff. So yeah, I love these. So cute. Totally recommend them. And there's tons of squishies on Mercari, so that was an amazing find. Is packaging like squishy, and the packaging is almost even more satisfying, so that's like a plus for some. Ooh, and I love it. And I'm gonna get donuts today, so I'm very excited, and they're gonna make me hungry. But anyways, next is my Alpacassos. I'm so excited. I love Alpacassos. I literally have some here, like have a big one and like a more pillow style one, and they're just the cutest ever. I love the keychain ones, and I finally bought some for myself, and I'm so excited. So I love the Alpacasso plushies. Like they are just adorable. Alpacas are so cute, and I fell in love with these during like when they just were popping that time of like, you know, 2014. And yeah, I like totally remember all the, you know, Attack on Titan ones, all the rainbow different style ones. And so yeah, I bought a little keychain one, so I'm very excited to own him. Let me just unbox that now. Oh my gosh, here he is. Ooh, oh my gosh, so cute. And this one has lashes, so it's more like a girl style, because some have lashes, some don't. Oh, and she's so cute. She's so soft and fuzzy, and like this one has a stain, and it was super cheap because of that. So I was like, I don't mind, because it just looks like a food stain. Like I get chocolate and things all over my stuff all the time, so I'm like, I get it. but it literally has the tag. That's amazing. Like, I definitely am gonna say that. I don't know if I'll cut it off. That's so cute. So yeah, you see baby Alpacasso, and it is the like sailor collection like styles. So cute, the little sailor. Oh my gosh, his little sailor scarf is everything. So yeah, she is so cute. I love her, and I love the style of the ones where they have like the little nubs. Oh, adorable. I'm so happy with her. She's so cute, and she totally matches me today in my fuzzy outfit, so I'm gonna wear her, and I'm so excited. Oh, she's everything. So I'm so happy with my Kawaii haul from Mercari. And yeah, I also have like another Alpacasso on the way. I'm super excited about that. But yeah, I just really love these items I got myself for my birthday. They are so worth it and just so nostalgic and fun, and yeah, she's so cute. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little haul. Items, let me know if you ever grew up watching, you know, squishy videos, collections, if you like the Alpacassos, if you've like, I don't know, ever been interested in them. I totally recommend like just checking out their art and everything. Like, they're so cute. So yeah. Hey guys, what's up? It's hours later, but I wanted to just give my last little item to show off for an unboxing for my Kawaii haul, since I got it in time before editing, uploading the video. So here is my last Kawaii item I got myself. Oh, look at that, two. That's so funny, like a box in a box. Okay, so this one's an Alpacasso, a mini one. Can you guess which color, which print? Ah, so cute. He is a tiny rainbow one. And yeah, this is the keychain one that like doesn't have the little like nub feet, like it has like the bottom feet, but its body is like built more to the llama shape. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Or the alpaca shape, I should say, not llama. Got them wrong. Oh, it has a little cute thank you gold little heart. That's so sweet. Mercari is usually really great for me. Some people have talked about how they've had negative experiences with like not getting their packages, scamming, like people you know, like backing out of orders, but I've never had a bad experience. Just one person being like, I can't find this item, I'm so sorry, I'm gonna have to cancel the order. And that's understandable, you know? Like, I should have checked before, being like, is this still ready? Like, still available? Which is always good to do. Like, you should always check if this is an item that's still available and such before checking out, in case they sold it somewhere. And yeah, but here, so sweet. Aren't they just little angels? These little Alpacassos, they are so, so cute. And I love that they're keychains. I'm a big keychain person. I like wear these with all my little bags, accessories, and I love having little plushy friends I could bring around, you know? So he's so special, and I'm so excited to have him in my plushie collection. And yeah, I love Alpacassos, and these rainbow ones are really awesome. I have another rainbow one that's a rainbow plushie bag one, and I'm just so excited to have a tiny of him. And yeah, they're like the pan colors kinda, so that's so cute. So perfect. So yeah, thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you like all my little kawaii items. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Have a great one. I'm having a baby.
Play that at the end of the video.
Okay, it looks like it's a girl, sweetie. Oh, you're now a mommy. I'm so happy for you.